Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to join a meeting on Zoom. Here are the detailed steps to join a meeting on Zoom web app. The first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Zoom website at https zoom.com. So you have your https zoom.us. Now log into your Zoom account using your credentials. It could be email, username, and password, or any of the socials. So before you start or before you join a meeting, you need to locate the meeting link. You'll need the meeting ID or the join URL to join the meeting. So if it's from an invitation, this may be an email, text message, or calendar invite with a Zoom meeting link. If it's from the host, it means you must have been given the meeting ID directly. So just ensure that you have the details, that's the meeting ID and the password if required. Now, once logged in, which we have here, click on the join button, which is here. So once you click on that, which is at the top right corner of the Zoom page, is going to take you to a window where you will be required to enter the meeting ID or the personal link name to join the meeting. So now if you have a link, go ahead and enter the link. So if you have the link, click on it. So you can simply click on it and it will automatically open the Zoom web page for the meeting. So alternatively, in here, enter the meeting ID or the personal link name. And once you're done, of course, if the meeting requires a password, a prompt to appear asking for a password. So enter the password provided by the meeting. And once you're done, go ahead and click on join. Now in the meeting, choose your audio and video settings. Okay, so you can choose to join via computer audio or dial in using a phone number. So select join with computer audio if you prefer using your device's speakers and microphones. Then for the video, decide whether you want to start with your video on or off by toggling the start video option on or off. Now, after selecting your preferences for audio and video, click on the join button to enter the meeting. If the meeting requires host approval, like a waiting room, you'll be placed in the waiting room until the host admits you. And once you're in the meeting, you can mute or unmute. So you can mute or unmute your audio by clicking on the microphone icon. By clicking the camera icon, you can start or stop your video. Now use the chat option in the meeting window to communicate via text. Ensure your meeting link or ID is correct and active, and contact the meeting host if you're having trouble. Also, ensure your microphone and camera are properly set up and that the browser has permission to access them. These steps should allow you to join the meeting on Zoom using the Zoom web app. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.